Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use OBS virtual camera on Discord. So the first thing, you need to open your OBS, then from here click on Start Virtual Camera, then open your Discord. From here select the settings here, then scroll down until you find voice and video, click on it, then from here scroll down until you find camera, click on it, and then you should find OBS virtual camera. If you could not find it, I will show you how to fix this. So all you need to do, go to your search bar here, search for OBS, then right click on it, then click open file location. Then from here, right click on it again and click open file location. Then go here, go to OBS Studio here, click on it. Then go here to data, click on it, and then click on OBS plugins. Then scroll down until you find Window D Show, click on it. All you need to do is right click on this and run as administrator, click on it. Then all you need to do to press any key on your keyboard. Then all you need to do is close Discord and make sure to close it from here. Also restart your PC and then open Discord and do the same steps to go and use your virtual camera from OBS. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe in the channel. Thank you for watching.